Hi, my name is Bob Throndsen. I'm the welding instructor here at Sno-Isle Tech Skills Center, where we handle 43 different high schools, juniors and seniors. I've been here. This is my 23rd year here. Yeah, I looked at a lot of different tables. My administrator gave me sort of an open checkbook to go ahead and find one that I really liked. And then we came across Jason and the guys at Sound Industrial, and we couldn't have been happier. We've had the Vector CNC table here at Sno-Isle Tech Skills Center for 2 years now, and I couldn't have made a better choice. Talk about setup being a breeze. Training on this machine was very, very easy. But man, I tell you, anybody can get a DXF pattern and work it into this machine. My kids love it, and boy, talk about a robust machine. About 20 years ago, I built myself a Torchmate kit. Of course, they came in kits back then, and we used it up until the software decided to die. And this thing beats the Torchmate system hands down, just with ease for my students, for everything. Well, I'm a welding instructor, so I take a look at everything. When I went into their shop and saw the quality of the build, quality of the welds, the quality of the construction, and the size of material that they're using, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. I just didn't want to have any legs that would fall off or anything like that. It's great. And I've got kids that drive forklifts around here. They bump into this table, it's not going to hurt it at all. This gantry is so much better than the bolt together aluminum extruded gantries that most of the equipment has these days that just rattle apart in a matter of months, right? And you're always having to do upkeep. I haven't touched this machine in 2 years, right? So yeah, the vector system is very, very easy. And in fact, some of the students know more about it than I do right now, and which is pretty cool. And yeah, you can't push the wrong button or anything like that. It all comes back, and it's like I say, pretty bitchy. No maintenance issues at all. Like I say, I haven't really touched this thing in the 2 years we've had it, except a little bit of cleanup. Very, very easy to use, easy to maintain. And like I say, my kids work on it, so I don't have to be a babysitter, which is kind of nice, right? We use this table every day. It doesn't get a rest. I mean, I have kids that come in here early for the classes just so they can get a heads up on the table, because it is kind of a bottleneck, right? Everybody wants to use the table once they got a pattern, and we've got a lot of sheet metal and we do a lot of work, so we do everything from signage to artwork. And I've even got guys that have designed their whole Toyota independent front suspension swap kit so that they can put the straight axle back on their independent front end suspension Toyota pickup truck. It's really cool. It's so much more robust and so much beefier than anything else. And it won't take any adjustments or anything like that. And the software is super easy. So that's another big reason I'm picking it over the other stuff. And I tell you, once you get a glimpse of this thing and once you run it, you won't go back. I would suggest anybody purchasing a table like this, Jason and Chris are the guys to call.